Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Huawei launched their Nova 7 series with the three smartphones, Huawei Nova 7, 7SE and 7 Pro with a 5G. After several weeks and leaks and speculation, Huawei officially took the wraps off of its Nova 7 series, comparing of three devices, Nova 7 Pro, 7 and 7SE. First of all, we talk about the 7 Pro. The Huawei Nova 7 Pro 5G is built around a 6.57 curved inch OLED display with a FHD plus resolution and 90:5:9 aspect ratio. The panel features a dual punch hole cutout for the 32 and 8 megapixel selfie camera and built-in fingerprint reader. Around the back, we have seen 1.1764 megapixel main shooter alongside 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and 8 megapixel periscope module with OIS capable of 5x optical and 50x hyper zoom. The fourth module is 2 megapixel macro shooter, the Canon 985 chipset, and with 8 GB RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. There also 4000 mAh battery with 40 watt super fast charging. The software front is covered by the EMUI 10.1 based on the Android 10. The Huawei Nova 7 Pro will come in a black, purple, green, red and silver color and is already available for pre-order in China. The base model 8 GB RAM and 128 GB model available in Chinese yuan 3,700, which equal $522. The second variant is 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, available in Chinese yuan 4,100 yuan, equal $580. Now talking about the Nova 7. The Nova 7 5G boasts a 6.53-inch OLED FHD Plus display with a single punch hole cutout for its 32 megapixel selfie camera. The panel has 20:9 aspect ratio and also comes with a built-in fingerprint reader. The camera department is headlined by the same 64 megapixel main shooter as the Pro model, but the periscope module is replaced by the conventional 8 megapixel telephoto shooter, which only does 3x optical zoom and 5x hyper zoom. The fourth module is 2 megapixel macro. Like the Pro, the Nova 7 packed the Canon 985 alongside 8 GB RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. The battery is rated 4000 mAh, support 40 watt fast wired fast charging. The Nova 7 will offered in a black, purple, green, red and silver color. The 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage will available in Chinese yuan 3000, equal $425, and there are 8 GB and 256 GB of storage variant available in 3,400 Chinese yuan, which is equal $480. The phone will go on sale in China starting April 28. Now talking about the last variant, Nova 7 SE, the third entry of the new Nova series is the Nova 7 SE. Is a tuned down version of the vanilla Nova 7 with a 6.5-inch IPS display with a punch hole cutout for the 16 megapixel selfie single camera. The phone comes with a side mounted fingerprint reader as its LCD can fit on underneath. The Nova 7 SE comes with a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter and 2 megapixel macro camera. Just like its two sibling, but replace the telephoto lens with a 2 megapixel depth helper. Another change come under the hood, where find the Canon 825D chipset added by 8 GB RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. The battery come in a same 4000 mAh battery and same 40 watt fast wired charging. The Nova 7 SE price and the Nova 7 SE will available in black, purple, green and silver color. The price is 2,400 Chinese yuan, equal $340 for 8 GB and 128 GB of storage. The second variant available in 2,800 Chinese yuan, equal $395 for the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The device is already up for a free order. Official sales is starting on April 28. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one is you want to buy, the Nova 7 SE, 7 Pro or the 7. Make sure to like this video, and for more cool tech videos, subscribe and enable that bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.